But why can't we rig a high-resolution mesh directly, and what's the difference between rigging a high-resolution mesh and a low-resolution mesh? Take, for example, this Julie model with a high-resolution swimming suit mesh. The number of points are so high that when I rig the model with a basic skeletal layout, the low number of Z-spheres are unable to hold the dense swimming suit mesh. So more Z-spheres would be required to hold the swimming suit mesh in place. While this low subdivision mesh with only about 1000 active points, rigged with the same number of Z-spheres and layout, can hold and move the mesh without affecting the swimming suit. There are no unwanted artifacts pulled off by the arm Z-spheres at the waist or armpit. For the dense swimming suit mesh, I had to add another 2 sets of Z-spheres. One at the waist and one at the armpit, just to hold the swimming suit and straps in place.